Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video, I want to talk about new era for Angular, zoneless applications. So, zoneless applications are a new feature in Angular 18. It's a new way of change detection, and actually it has a lot of benefits. One of the benefits is improving composability for micro frontends and interoperability with other frameworks. Faster initial render and runtime, smaller bundle size and faster page loads, more readable stack traces, and simpler debugging. So I created a new Angular application with ng-new, and this is the result. It's important to know that it's still an experiment, but one of the things that you could do, you see here, provide change detection. We can remove this and we can provide this, right? Of course, we need to import it. So we import this, and indeed you read here, provide experimental zoneless change detection. And so provides change detection without zone.js for the application bootstrapped using Bootstrap application. This function allows you to configure the application to not use the state changes of zone.js to schedule change detection in the application. This will work when zone.js is not present on the page at all, or if it exists because something else is using it. So that's the first thing that we need to do. Another thing that's important is going to angular.json, and here I'm going to search for zone. Then here you see polyfills, so we can remove this, right? We don't need that anymore. And going to search for others. Here we have that for testing, so you can remove that for testing as well. So these are the most important ones that you need to do. So one of the things that I'm now going to do is just starting this up. Turn start. One of the things that you notice is it's very, very fast. It's also something that I like within the new Angular application, that it takes not a lot of time to create and make a bundle, right? So I'm going to use this template. It's a very easy template. I'm going to show you. So save, of course, these functions we don't have. So we're going to create that. Right, so go to app components.ts. I'm going to change this one. This is from the new API for signals, so we can have something like this. Create a signal that can be set or updated directly. And then here you have this name, set, and then this one, right? If we save this and we go back to our application template, you see here that it's working again. So let's go and test this out in the browser. So I changed this towards public. Yeah. And I'm now going to show you how it looks like in the browser. So this is the page. Now I can go zoneless, and then you have here hello from zoneless Angular, right? Quite easy, but nice to know that this works. So one of the last things that you maybe are going to ask yourself is, well, I have an old application, and can you guarantee that it will work? Well, I cannot. If your components are compatible with Angular's Angular's change detection strategy .onPush, then they should be mostly compatible with zoneless as well, which will make their transition seamlessly. So if you have change detection strategy .onPush, then it's okay. But there are different kind of change detection strategies, right? So you see here, then we have this change detection strategies dot. Then you see here default and on push. So again, you need to play around with it. I think it's harder to change the change detection and zoneless when you have a big application that already exists. But one of the things, and that's something I also showed you lately in the beginning of this video, that they have provide zone detection and they have options and event event coalescing. It's very hard to pronounce, is something that they added. So optionally specify event change detections or not. Consider the following case, and it will help that it will have less change detection cycles, and it will provide more performance for your Angular application. So again, the Angular world is moving towards a more reactive, more performant, more modern way of working. I really like it, their new API of signals and their direction that they are now taking also with zoneless applications. So very curious what this will bring us in the near future, but I think good things are happening within the Angular world. So thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next videos. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. And thank you very much.